Now, for many of us, especially if you work near tall buildings, a windy day like today can be a real annoyance, but not so to the folks in our next story. Have a look.
This day is pretty much good for kite surfing and for me because it's a good wind and then it's sunny. You know, not that many days left before it gets really cold. It's one of those wonderful days you can go, you can enjoy, your time. Lots of people show up, and it's might be one of the best days this year.
The winds are higher than usually we get here, but it's pretty good. We're actually waiting for this kind of winds, and when they're here, everybody tries to run, right? So people trying to get off their work just to get on the beach. You can also perform quite a few interesting jumps and tricks. There's a combination of different sports where people were interested into paragliding and wakeboarding, and ski, downhill, jumping. So now we can combine it all in one. It's easy. It is an extreme sport, but it's also easy to learn.
Well, just ahead,